Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoobb here. Today I'm going to be talking about Crypto.com's waived 3.5% credit card and debit card fees for crypto purchases. As you guys know, most exchanges have really high fees for debit card purchases. But the cool thing right now with Crypto.com is they're doing it for a whole 6 months, but they've already done it for 3 months. So we have until September to buy crypto with 0% fees with your debit card or credit card, which is really nice. It's perfect for topping up your MCO debit card if you have one, or just for buying crypto in general. So right now, since I personally have never done a bank transfer, it seems it's more on the confusing side and seems to take longer too with Crypto.com. Therefore, I've been taking advantage of the 3.5% fee being waived. So I've been buying crypto through Crypto.com. And also a cool thing, if you guys have the MCO card, it's increased rebates for essential purchases, food, groceries, and delivery. I have a metal one, so I get 10% back. You guys can read this too. Just so you guys know, if you don't have Crypto.com, I'll have a link down in the description. It should be at the top. For using my referral. So if you sign up using my referral on Crypto.com, you'll get $50 for free in cryptocurrency as long as you stake 50 MCO. Then your $50 will be unlocked and you'll get access to that in MCO. So the supported brands have a lot of places that most of you guys will probably know: Walmart, Uber Eats. There's even Kroger and Costco, which is a pretty popular one, Domino's, DoorDash, and yeah, McDonald's too. So there's some pretty popular ones on here, Whole Foods Market. And as you guys can see, there's also double rewards on gift card purchases of food and delivery and groceries. Food and beverage up to 20%, grocery up to 10%, and they have their supported brands with like Safeway and Whole Foods and everything. So just know that you have until September for buying crypto. The reason I'm telling you guys this is because I'm always telling you guys about different exchanges and the fees and everything. So right now, the best place to be buying Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, there may not be a big selection depending where you live. And so just know that you can at least buy Bitcoin, and there's no fees with your debit card, which is really cool. And I've actually already gone to Walmart with my MCO card, and yeah, I got 10% back, which was nice. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to do kind of a quick one to tell you guys, go use Crypto.com. If you don't have Crypto.com installed on your phone, then definitely use my referral link if you don't have an account. Just so you and I can both get free MCO. You guys will get $50 worth. And I think so will I. I think we each get $50 worth. So, yeah, just letting you guys know. And it's also a great way to support my channel with also you getting free money out of it also. So, and then once you guys are signed up, you can also start signing up your friends, and you guys can start earning money from using your referrals too, which would be really cool. Yeah, so there was April, May, June, right? But they extended it to July, August, and September. So they've been doing it since April. So I'm kind of late and behind in doing this video, but just know you still have the rest of July and all of August, and sometime in September it'll end. So yeah, there you guys go. 3.5% credit card and debit card too. Not just credit card, debit card too. I've done this. I've made sure. And it's a great way for topping up your debit card. I've seen some people ask well, cost me, this much in fees to move, crypto over or whatever. So, but it's perfect. You can top up right on crypto.com with 0% fees with debit card purchases, and it's instant, obviously. So if you're in a rush and you're like, oh yeah, I forgot I can get 10% back. Oh, but I don't have my debit card filled up. Can instantly do it right then and there. You don't have to wait for a bank transfer or anything. All right, well, not trying to make this video too long, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And also just know my referral link will be down in the description. I'd greatly appreciate it if you did use my referral. It'll help you and I out both. So see you guys later in the next video.